First witness Lerato Msibi took to the podium today to give her testimony. It was preceded by a bit of a problem when Peter Dauberman, who is a defense advocate, discovered that there were some discrepancies, that the given evidence that was written down and was also verbal did not necessarily correspond with what was written down in the charge sheet. He said that if the court case were to proceed in this manner, then it would present an unfair trial to Omotoso. He also stated that most of the charges that had been mentioned verbally were also not listed, and asked that everything be outlined, asking for specifications of times and dates so that he is able to provide a concrete defense for his client. He also stated that not everything was accordingly, and that there was a lot of discrepancies with Lerato's testimony, as she too took to the podium today to testify. Omotoso appears in court once again after this case had been postponed for nearly 2 months following the denial of his bail application. He was applying for the bail for the third time, which was later denied after the judge found that there was no new evidence and that most of the things that were presented now could have been presented before. He also cited that Omotoso was an illegal immigrant, which meant he was likely to be deported, and that it wouldn't work, especially considering the fact that Omotoso might be a flight risk as he has got church branches in various countries. Omotoso remains behind bars. Anda Nqonji, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.